It's Neff. Welcome to Trickle again. Going to be setting you guys up for Walmart cards. All right. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to navigate to the Discord. You're going to want to go to Neff's Walmart Cooking Recipes channel. Go up here to the pinned messages and scroll down and click on this where it says Neff's Retail Cook Sheet. It's going to bring you to this page right here. Now I try to keep this as updated as possible, but please understand that I don't catch everything. All right. So this isn't just for cards, this list, but this guide is just for cards and anything that isn't that doesn't require an account or has a queue mode. This will work for action figures, all sorts of stuff. Okay, but anyway, um, let's say that we are going to be running Illusions mega boxes. Okay, now what I've done is I have put the offer ID and price check in the exact format that you need for your keywords, okay? Please read the notes that are here. Please read the retail and the resell right here. Please just read everything that's in here. All right, this is already in the format that you need, so you can just copy it. This is going to be the offer ID and then a space and then the price check right here. So Trickle doesn't purchase over that price, all right? We're going to minimize this. I'm going to open up my Trickle folder. I'm going to open up my profiles. And I already have this kind of filled out for you guys. But what we're going to do is we're going to copy the keyword into here. And then let's just assume that you've picked a couple different other cards, okay? Or let's say you're just running for these. It doesn't really matter. Size quantity. I usually always pick 4 for mine, even though I know that the cap is somewhere around 10 to 12, depending on the cards. Okay. Talk to your cook group about that type of stuff. All right. But I usually pick 4, especially for like the cello packs and stuff, because it pushes you over the line so you can get free shipping still, because I think it's over $30 or $35 to get you free shipping. So if I'm running cheap items, usually they're at least $10. I can push myself over to that free shipping and still get the best bang for my buck. But I have found sometimes that if you push the quantity up to 10 or 12 and stuff like that, sometimes it'll check out as many that are available. Sometimes it won't. You'll just get an error, or it'll say failed checkout. But you'll still actually get some of them checked out. So like I said, I just keep it at 4. It's simple, it's easy. It's worked many times for me. So first name, last name, email, phone number, address, all that type of stuff should be all kind of self-explanatory. With Walmart, jigging is somewhat necessary. Keep in mind that the jigging method for items like this is completely different than the jigging method that you need for consoles. They have 2 separate securities for that. So, or bot protections, I believe. So anyway, jig however you want. You can do 3-letter. I've done it before. You can try the apostrophe method. I've done it before. The apostrophe method looks like this. So you just like randomly in the street, you just put an apostrophe in it like that. Easy. Works very well for Target. But Walmart, I've had it work as well. 3-letter jig method is just in front of it. Just put like BAR. Yeah. You can try apartment jigs, whatever it is that you want to do. Okay. Consult your cook group for that information though. Okay. State, 2 letters. City, whatever. Zip, whatever. Country, 2 letters, or just your normal country code. Credit card number is self-explanatory, no spaces in it. Month, 2 digits. Year, 4 digits. CVC or CVV is whatever your card has on the back. Okay. Task quantity. If it doesn't require an account, you can run as many tasks per profile as you want. If it does require an account for the drop, like Pokemon UPCs require accounts. Last I checked, you can only run 1 profile or 1 task per profile then, because it's going to log in. That profile is going to log in to that account And if it has a bunch more tasks, it's just going to start generating accounts for you. So, retry delay for Walmart. I usually like to stick with all sixes, and monitor. I like to stick with all sevens. I don't know. It's just numbers that I picked. They work pretty well for me. You know, site is Walmart, not Walmart.com, not Walmart grocery, not Yeezy Supply. None of that. It's just Walmart. Okay. I'm gonna go over the modes in a second. 2 captcha key is not needed. Just just put something in there. It doesn't. It's not actually used. Just put something in there. Okay. Some of you might have a shipping rate that does not apply at all to Walmart. It can be left completely blank at all times for any site. Okay. So modes. So these are a list of the modes that I recommend running for guest mode, meaning it will not use an account, it will not generate an account for you or anything. It's just going to check it out on the guest portion of the site. Desktop is the most common one. It seems to be the one that is doing the best right now, all of the desktop variants. Mobile sometimes works, but I know it's been struggling a little bit lately as of the 12th of April, 2022. But mobile used to be the move. So just pay attention to the guides, pay attention to the announcements. We'll tell you if there's a certain mode that's probably broken or something right now. So, but desktop seems to be the best one right now. So you can run desktop, desktop alt, or desktop fast. There's also mobile fast, and mobile 2. I believe there's a mobile alt also. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you, because I've personally never ran it. So. If you find that you are getting a bunch of blocked messages in your bot after you start it, and I'm talking about when it's been running for like 5 minutes and they're still saying all blocked, you can try adding testing to the end of your mode. I'm not sure if it's even still working right now, but it's worth a try to see if it does work. You literally just append testing to it. Just like that. All right. You can do that on all of these modes. Again, it might be disabled right now, but that used to be something that you could try to help get around the blocked messages. Pretty easy. All right, we're going to save this, and then we're going to close this. We're going to open up the bot. Opening the bot is, make sure that you have your proxies in. Make sure that if you're running account mode, that you have your accounts in. They go from top to bottom on here, in my experience. So, we'll do nef@trickle.com and then password. Okay. One thing that I have found with Trickle is that sometimes Trickle likes to move so fast that it has trouble reading some of the accounts. So what I do is if I have 2 accounts, or let's do 4 accounts. Yeah, 4, why not? So if I have 4 accounts in here total, what I do is I will make copies of this. I'll copy and paste them a couple times like that in that row. It seems to help. I've had it read the accounts a lot better that way, but again, try whatever you want. Okay. Proxies reads from top to bottom. It'll rotate if they're broken. So you do not need harvesters. You do not need autosolve. Settings UI you can open if you want. If you want to change keyword quick to a different offer ID, you can do that. I'm not sure if it works on Walmart, but I mean, try it out. All these functions are here in the bot for you to run. I personally have not done this, changing the keyword on it. I usually just stop the bot and restart. Walmart drops usually last long enough for me to be able to do that. So delays, I know you can change delays on the fly. If you find that your delays are you're getting rate limited quicker or something, up your delays a little bit. Okay, just mass change them. Enter in the number here and then hit the off button. So, all right. That's how you set up a Trickle for cards and any other item that doesn't require a queue or an account. If it does require an account, you can just add account to the beginning of the mode. I'll show you that real quick. So if I want to run account desktop alt, I literally just type in account at the beginning of it. That will read the accounts from your accounts folder. If it doesn't find an account in there, it will create a new account for you. Keep in mind that the accounts that are in here have to match the email that is on your profile exactly. Okay, and like I said, put your. I find that putting my accounts in the same order that the emails are in order in my profiles seems to work a lot better with logging into the accounts. So, all right, that's it. You guys have fun. Good luck. Keep cooking. Trickle's a beast.